Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make yummy cheesecake using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 16 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, and a pre-made graham cracker crust. Make sure your cream cheese and eggs are at room temperature for the best results. Prepare a 9-inch springform pan by lightly greasing it, then firmly press your crust into the bottom. This sets the foundation for our delicious dessert. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy filling. In a large bowl, beat 16 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is wonderfully smooth and lump-free. Next, gently incorporate 2 large eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing just until they are combined. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance all those lovely flavors. With our filling ready, it's time for the oven. Carefully pour the smooth cheesecake batter into your prepared 9-inch graham cracker crust. Place it into a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when the edges are set, but the very center still has a slight jiggle when you gently shake the pan. This ensures a perfectly creamy texture. The hardest part is waiting, but it's crucial. Once baked, let your cheesecake cool completely on a wire rack. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight. This chilling time is essential for the cheesecake to fully set and develop its signature dense, creamy texture. Before serving, you can garnish it with fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate, or a simple fruit sauce. Enjoy your homemade, yummy cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.